Here's one way in which you can reduce battery usage from apps that are running in the background, and it's the battery restriction features found on apps for your Samsung phone with One UI 7.0. So let's just say there's an app that's constantly running, it's draining your battery life. You want to keep the app, but you don't want it to process too much in the background. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to find the app, and once you find the app, and in most cases, it's probably going to be something like Facebook or whatnot, you'll long press that app. And for Samsung phones, as you long press it, you'll see that app info icon right here, this eye right here. Once you do this, you'll be taken to this section here, and you want to go down until you see the battery right here. So yours may be a bit different, as you probably might have been using it more than me, and I haven't used mine because this is a fairly new phone. And for most of us, it will be set to optimize. This is going to be based on the app usage, but maybe it's on optimize and it's still running a lot in the background. And you notice based on battery percentage, it's the app that's draining the most. So you'll come here and you want to set it to restricted, this one right here. This isn't going to disable the app or stop anything from happening. You will still get notifications, but at a rather slower rate. You'll have to go into the app itself to see them or refresh the app in order to see it. But the good thing about doing this is if you're on the go and you notice that app is just draining your battery life at the moment, you can do this for a quick fix and that'll be all. You can come back and switch it to optimize in the future. And that's that. Like and sub.